What is up, Wade's Ventures and Wade's Ventures fans? I am Locker Nuts. Really, my name is Jack, but I go by Locker Nuts. That's the name of our channel. Check it out if you want to see more storage action, because we do love this business. I was asked by Wade to give some tips and tricks for you guys, since you're learning from him. Well, let me tell you a little bit about storage also. I just bought this unit. It's a 10 by 20. We paid 250 bucks, and it's close to the airport, so you might hear a plane. But I want to just point out to you what I like about this unit, so maybe that'll help you buy one in the future. Let's take a look. All right, here's how this unit looked from the doorway when I bought it. I have not even stepped into this thing. Of course, there's not really any area to step in. It's kind of blockaded here, but it won't take long. I'll get in this aisle and get back there. But this is what it looked like. There's a lot of stuff, and it's okay. It's not like super great, but it's not super bad either. I've bought better, I've bought worse, but I'll tell you what I liked about this. Number one thing I liked about this, not the cat kennel, this right here, that right there. You know what that is? That is dust and dirt. That's a sign that this has been sitting for a period of time. It takes a while to develop that much dust. Now, this is an outside unit, okay? So see, exterior units do get more dirt. So it doesn't take as long to accumulate this versus an interior unit where you'd enter a hallway and then enter your unit. Those take longer to develop that much dust. But this is good. This is the other thing that I really liked about it. This right here, just in time for Halloween, we got plenty of cobwebs. Look at these cobwebs. And there's cobwebs up here too. That is a good sign. That, again, is an indication that this has been sitting a while. Now, I like it when it's been sitting a while because that means nobody's been in here digging out the good stuff and taking it home. All right. A second thing to be on the alert and look out for is, does the unit look like it's been gone through? Okay. Number one way to really buy a turd of a unit is if someone went through and took out everything that was valuable and left behind all the low value and junk. So there is an open cabinet back there. See that? So right here, it's open, not closed. Is that a sign? I don't really know. We'll get a better feeling once we start digging in this thing. But looking around here, it does not look like these boxes were left open. For the most part, this is a little bit on the neater side for lockers that I buy. So I'm liking it. So the fact that it hasn't been tossed or gone through is definitely also a very good sign. Tip number 3. Okay, we've got some crutches. We've got a walker. We've got a cat carrier. Those to me, and we've got a grandfather clock, all right? This to me is all signs that this might have been a more elderly person that owned this. There's artsy crafty type stuff. The little frog there, the dollhouse in the back. This to me says someone who's a little bit older. There's only so much time to profile and try to get a bead on who it was. I like older demographic because that's someone that has had more years to collect stuff, more years to accumulate valuables, and might even have a little bit more disposable income also. So is this a locker from somebody with money? Well, I don't know yet. But we're going to get in here and we're going to find out, and that's what makes this business so thrilling, is that thrill of the hunt, finding out if we got the big score, seeing what value's in here. And there could be $1 million, or it could be 3 or 4 trips to the dump. We're going to find out. I love it though. So if you guys are thinking about getting into this business, I would say enjoy it, right? Just grasp it for all that it is, especially if it's your first one. The first ones are so exciting, but I do encourage you, don't go quite as big as this. This is a 10 by 20, even with a trailer on my truck. I'll give you a look at what my setup is. There's my setup right here. This is some stuff from another locker I bought. I bought 4 on this day. That's a lot for me. But trailer, truck, I've got an okay setup. I can handle a decent amount of stuff, but a 10 by 20 is still going to be probably 3 trips for me. So be careful. Understand what you've got at your disposal. And if you don't have enough, don't be afraid to go down to U-Haul and rent it. Rent a truck, rent a trailer, whatever you need. Go ahead and do that. It's not that much money in the big scope of things. It'll save you in time. It'll save you in effort. And and stress. Don't stress, all right? This should be fun. And right now, as a matter of fact, I'm about to go have some fun in myself because I have not even touched one single item in here yet. So thanks you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned a little bit. And you know, if you feel inclined, go swing by my channel and check it out. Locker Nuts, right? Can we make it clear? Locker Nuts, all right? All right, you guys, thanks for watching. You're gonna learn a lot from Wade. He's got so much to teach all of us. I learn from him all the time. But thanks for watching. Until next time, good luck to you. God bless you. We'll see you next time. Maybe over on Locker Nuts.